Hi everyone, I'm back with another product unboxing and reviewing. It's another pair of headphones, but this time they're Bluetooth headphones. And again, I'm not getting paid for this video, and I just got these for free from the company. And yeah, I'm just going to make the video, test them out and let you know how they are. They're actually quite cheap for Bluetooth headphones, and I've never actually used Bluetooth headphones before, but I've used a lot of normal ordinary headphones. So yeah, let's see how these are. So it's quite a small box. Let's open it up. They come with a nice little pouch and leaflets, or cards. Company's name's Eeco or Eeco, and I've got a discount thing here, 10% off, which is nice. And it says, can you see that? It says thank you in the box as well, which is quite nice. There's a little instruction booklet of how to connect them. And here are the headphones. So these can be used with any, I think, Bluetooth device, but I think they're made mainly for mobile phones, and you can take calls with this as well. Got a built-in mic, and it looks like they have a charger. Yeah, micro. I think it's a micro USB charger. And let's have a look. Earbuds, extra earbuds, the charger with it. So let's open these up and see how long they are. So there they are. They're not very long. Let me try them on and see how they fit. So let's have a look. This is right. And this is left. That doesn't feel right. I believe they're meant to go this way round, and then you have right and you have left. They feel quite comfortable. I'm not sure how they would work for calling and things like that, but they feel comfortable enough for in-ear headphones. So now I'm going to go and connect them to my phone, test them out. I'll compare them to my current headphones. I'll test them out again, because if you use something for a very long time, you kind of forget how it sounds. It just becomes normal. So I'll test these and compare them to my current headphones, and be back in a second. Okay, I've had a chance to test out these headphones here, and what I did is first I used my normal headphones, those normal AKG Samsung headphones. They're quite good. They've got good bass, good sound, but these are amazing. They actually blew me away. They're very, very loud, clear audio, clear lyrics, and the bass is unbelievably deep, and it's just like, wow. I put them on and I was like, wow, is this for real? Because I normally think, like, I'm not a fan of Bluetooth headphones, but these have like changed my mind. I think I might be using these all the time now, and yeah, they compared to these, they don't compare. Like, I've used both of them now, and this is good. At full volume, I can listen to any track I want. On these, I can't listen to every track in full volume because it's just too damn loud, which is a good thing. And it's not like the loud sort of, distorted kind of loud. It's clear, crisp, and very deep bass. And yeah, I'm surprised. And the crazy thing is that they're quite cheap. These are actually budget. These are how much? These are $18.99 on Amazon. The link's in the description. And yeah, if you're going to get Bluetooth headphones and you've not used any before, get these. I had to charge them up for a while, which I used my wireless charger for, and it comes with this little charger, and obviously this is a micro charger, so you can use any sort of charger in it. You just have to open up this little section here and it goes right in. It's a little bit of a push, but yeah, it goes right in there and you charge them up. It says it takes about 2 hours charging. But yeah, the sound quality on these is incredible. Like, I did not expect it. Here it says it will take, it has 5 hours talk time. I did try to make a call, but didn't get through to who I was calling, because you can answer the phone and obviously put the volume up and down with them. Charging time's 2 hours. Standby time is 155 hours. So yeah, and they don't weigh nothing at all. And you can obviously change the earbuds if you want to make them smaller earbuds. You've got them in here. Every headphone set comes with like small earbuds, big earbuds, and all kinds of earbuds. And yeah, they're just incredibly amazing. I'm blown away. I didn't expect them to be this good. Like I expected them to be decent, but no, they're compared to these are average compared to these Bluetooth headphones. These are amazing. Like the bass is just so damn good. It's yeah, it's unbelievable. So yeah, this is an amazing product. If you have any other suggestions of things I should review and get, please let me know in the comments. Also, I reviewed some gaming headphones in the previous video, which will be linked in here as well. But yeah, Eeco, amazing company with an amazing product, and they have other products as well, which I might think about getting and reviewing as well. But these headphones, I'm probably going to be using them all the time from now on. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll have another video coming out soon, probably another vlog, and then hopefully maybe get some more products and review them as well. But yep, Eeco headphones, Bluetooth headphones, $18.99, Amazon. Get them now. If you're looking for Bluetooth headphones, I would recommend these highly because they're just amazing. Anyway, thank you. Bye.